Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore aka Robert with another box break. This would be box break number 2 of Americana. So let's get into it so we don't take forever like we did the last one. Well, I should just cut the box and be done with it.
Or you just cut the heads off.
I could. But I hurt myself, so I'm going to do. Come on! Cheap scissors made frickin' China or something. I don't know, it just doesn't want to cut. They made the packaging out of solid steel. If I could hit somebody that's on the box, well, minus Shannon Elizabeth, I'd be okay with it. Oh god! I put the wrapping. Let's show you guys. This is my packaging. I threw it on him because he's taking a nap on the couch, and he just now realized. So let's do this. Nothing. Okay. Taryn Manning, Mary Elizabeth Mastriano, Common Blue, Screen Legend of Jane Mansfield, Decoy, and Catrian Bowden. I don't know. Next. Is that a hit? Hey, Sleepy, we're making a video. Quiet down. I think I got a hit. Next. Okay, just put it there. That'll work. No hit on this with decoys. Let's go through these right quick. Oh, those are... Okay. Terrence Jenkins, John C. McGinley, Winner's Circle of Calvin Borrell, Lana Turner and Ingrid Bergman, Screen Legends, Tiffany Thiessen, Laura Dern, Reverend Run, D. Wayne Lucas and Bob Baffert, Screen Legends, Lillian Geesh and Betty Davis, and Kelly Rowland. Next pack. Okay, nothing. A decoy. Vanilla Ice. Molly Ringwald. Mickey Rourke Blue. Straight Up Silver Singles. And Ian Ziering. 90210, dude. Another. Okay, there's that. Let's see what we got here. Decoy, Hope Solo, On the Tube, Ava Gardner, Die Cut, Blue of Ali Lertner, Mickey Rooney, Screen Legends, and Tony Sirico, or however you pronounce his name. Assuming we got... Oh, she got an extra pack over here. She had to step out, so we'll see what this one is all about. Bradley Cooper, Danica McKellar, The Wonder Years. That's what I thought. The little freeze frame. Those are pretty cool. I like those. See my finger behind there, but that's pretty cool. Roger Moore, Blue, On the Tube of Gabrielle Reese, and Eliza Dushku. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry if I messed it up, but we're down to the hits, I guess. So let's see what we got here. Oh, decoy. That's what that is. Let's just do it like this because I don't know what the... Martin Short. Daphne Oz. Blue of Teresa Guidance. Not sure on that. Kelly Rowland. Simply Deep. The Silver album. James Earl Jones. And this is Winner's Circle. Chattanel, Sutherland Krause, Chantel, I can't read for crap. Chantel, Sutherland Krause autograph from the horse racing, one of the things you don't want to get, I guess. And then Steve Sharapia, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm going to get killed in the comments for these. Joe Greedence, DJ Cool Blue, On the Tube, Tara Manning, And number to 499 on the tube, Jane Russell. Oh, what's it? 46 of 499. So there's that. Leah Michelle from Glee. Joe Manganiello. Jordana Brewster, blue. Just a friend, I was just mentioning that. Bismarcky, when I got the auto. Danica McKellar. Slade Smiley. Rose McGowan. Joe Wagner, blue. The Biz Never Sleeps. That. What is that? Says Winner's Circle. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. I'm trying to see what it is. Hold on. It says celebrity worn material, but it's like thick, so I'm assuming that's helmet. From number 92 of 147. So that's a horse race helmet, I'm assuming. Because it's not like a shirt or anything. It is rock solid. That's cool. And the hit of the box, definitely. Big screen signatures. Number 54 of 75. James Earl Jones. Who my son over here, who is now awake, knows him from Sandlot. He's the guy that... why didn't you just come to me and ask for it? I would have gotten it for you when they're trying to get the baseball. So that's it. Thanks for watching. More to come. Bye!